A federal judge in Florida, Kathryn Kimball Mizelle, overturned the Centers for Disease Control's mask mandate for public transportation and air travel in an April 18th ruling. Robert Henneke, the executive director and chief counsel for the Texas Public Policy Foundation, told the Star News Network the ruling is good news for the foundation's own suit on behalf of Texas Republican Congresswoman Beth Van Duyne.
The arguments that are pending in our ongoing lawsuit in Texas are the same arguments that prevailed in the case in Florida, with the judge in Florida agreeing that the Center for Disease Control did not have the statutory authority that it claimed to impose a face covering requirement for all Americans engaging in transportation.
In addition to the judge citing CDC's lack of authority, she also ruled that when the Biden administration imposed the mask mandate, it violated federal law, Henneke said.
The court also held that the Biden administration committed error when it implemented the mask mandate without going through the notice and comment requirements under the Administrative Procedures Act.
The lawyer said the administration's flawed regulatory process for the mask mandate fits into a pattern.
With the Biden administration, over the last 2 years of COVID, so much of their regulatory efforts have been attempted to be shoehorned through the CDC under a public health type argument.
Henneke said despite the good news, he is still pressing on with his own case and watching for the Justice Department's next step.
Our case will continue. The opinion from the court in Florida is hot off the press, and it still remains to be seen how the Department of Justice will respond. Will they seek an immediate stay of the final judgment once it's entered? I presume they'll appeal. There's still too much to be determined, but the determination from Florida is not dispositive yet of our case, so our case in Texas will proceed.
Reporting for the Star News Network, Neil W. McCabe, Washington.